Hey, what's up guys? It's Ahmed here, A to Z Auto Masters, and today we got this 2014 BMW X6 with a 3.0 liter. Car came in with lights on the dashboard, airbag light, check engine light, and after further investigation, we find out that we have a lot of codes for low voltage. We're gonna have to change the battery in this car, so we're gonna take you through the process of how to change the battery and how to register the battery to the computer of the car. So we'll see how it's gonna be done. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Okay guys, so as you probably know, batteries on those cars are in the trunk, so you're gonna have to have access to the trunk. It's usually under this cover here. X5s and X6s, almost the same location here. You have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, 1 is missing already, so we have 3 only. And we have also 1 here, forgot to mention that. And you can lift up the whole tray and take it out. Okay, the battery is right there, as you can see. We're gonna have to unplug the negative battery terminal, positive terminal. We're gonna remove this fusible link from here, okay, and just get the battery out. That's the tie down for the battery. So we're just gonna get all this out of the way, slide the battery out and put the new one in. Okay, so negative terminal, positive. Positive is part of that fusible link, so the whole thing gonna have to be lifted up. You have the clip right here in the back. Just release that to lift up. Same thing up front here, but we'll take this tie down first. Take it out. You have another bolt down there. Take this other tie down bracket. Okay, so that fusible link right here, we're gonna release that. Stick your hand and release this side too. And always watch out for the sensor on the battery. Slide it out, and you have this vent. Make sure you take this out, and make sure you plug it up back in the new battery. That's the vent outside the car to vent the battery. Just slide it back in, reverse order every way. You have this vent right there. Just gonna plug it back. Okay, we have a cap on this one. We have to pop this cap first. So we get that cap, we pop out. I'll put it on the other side since we only have 1 vent. We have another vent on this side, so I'm just gonna cap this, and we're gonna only use this side vent. Okay. Line up the positive side and push down, lock it in place. back. It's easy stuff, guys, very simple stuff. Okay, so basically almost everything back. Now we have to put the negative battery terminal right there. Okay, so the battery's in, tight. Just gonna put the tray back. Okay, so basically everything, we're done with everything here. Next step, we're just gonna go with the scanner, with the computer, and register this battery to the car. So I'm just gonna scan everything, delete all these faulty codes, then register the battery. As you can see, we have a four-wheel drive codes, we have restraining system malfunction codes. It's all because of the battery. Okay, here's the menu of basically what's wrong. The restraining system, chassis stability malfunction, DBC malfunction, drive carefully, set date and time. A lot of stuff are going on right now, so we're just gonna reset all this. Okay, so I'm gonna hit quick erase. Okay, so we reset all the modules. Just gonna go out and go to hot functions, and we go under battery. Register the battery replacement, and you just have to register this battery. Display battery exchange history. I don't want that. Register the battery replacement is F2. Okay. Was the battery with the same capacity, same change, higher or lower capacity, same battery? So I'm just gonna go F1. Yes. I'm gonna go with the data matrix code. Okay, battery exchange was successful. Continue. We're setting the date and time right now. Service function complete. And that's basically it. You're gonna have to just turn the steering back and forth to recalibrate the steering angle sensors, and right there, all codes are gone, job is done. So please, if you like this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next video. Thank you.